The Glazier program is special because glass is everywhere. No matter where you go, there's glass. Automobiles, residential, windows, doors, commercial, high-rises, even at the hockey rink. Glass is everywhere.
You don't really realize how big glazing is until you actually do it. Still learning lots every day, even though I've been in it for a long time.
In the Glazier program, in first year, they will learn how to cut glass, polish different glass. Second years will learn glass cutting. They get into the fabricating aluminum frames. Third and fourth years spend a majority of their time fabricating, installing frames.
There's a lot of heavy lifting and working with the hands, which I enjoy, being raised in a construction family. But it's also really fine, detailed work. Probably my favorite thing to do in class is blueprinting.
It's very meticulous, but it looks good in the end. I love seeing a finished product, like from nothing to what it becomes.
When a student is done, they will be working with mainly automotive glass or residential. They could be installing residential PVC windows, wood windows, or commercial. They could be working on swing stages, doing 30-story buildings, installing all the frames and the glass. A lot of them will leave here and start running their own jobs and having their own apprentices. There's always seems to be work in our industry.